cocked, it'll only go forward about 1 millimeter. If you do it uncocked, it'll go forward just about that 1/2 inch. The issue seems to be there's this little piece of metal here that's kind of like rounded. It seems to slope up past that little back plate. The back plate's getting caught up on that for whatever reason. I noticed in the reviews for them on the site, someone mentioned that theirs would only go forward about 1/4 or 1/2 inch like this. The other thing doesn't really matter is there's this initial hard part when you're trying to rack the slide, and then also once it's cocked, like some other guns do this, I figure that's fine, but it goes back almost the same distance. But yeah, it's not terribly hard. It's not really an issue. Main thing is just that inability to get that to pop out, come off.